in case. All right. So is it post increment and pre increment clear? I'll just say that once again. So increment just means adding one. Okay. Pre increment means plus plus a, and post increment means a plus plus. Now what happens in plus plus a? First, the value of a will get incremented, and then it gets stored or used. In post increment, first it will store the age value, and then it will get incremented. So in the first case, in pre-increment, b's value will be 6 because you're first incrementing the value of a and then storing. In the second post-increment, b's value will be 5 and then a's value gets incremented. So same thing for uh, decrement also. I don't need to explain that. Now I'll give you one question using this. Okay. So then you can't do this method. You have to do a is equal to a plus 2. You can't just add a plus 2 or a is equal to a plus 2. Okay. All right. So I'm giving some values now. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 0, C is equal to minus 3, right? So I'll solve it now. Once you watch carefully, I will do it. Okay. So D is equal to, first is plus plus A. So A's value is how much? 2. So A becomes 3 first, and then we are using it here. So you have to write it 2 times. So you're writing what it becomes and what we're using. Okay. Next is minus. Now B plus plus means what? First we're using and see, first we're using and then it gets incremented. So first you're using the original value of B. What is that? And then B becomes, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Next minus. Now here first is the minus and then we use it. So what does it become? Yeah, it's minus 3. So when you minus 1, it becomes minus 4 and then we are using it. So that's minus 4. And then plus. A is how much? Don't look at the original value of A. Look at the latest value of A. 3. So first we are using 3 and here it becomes 4. Then here, so first is a plus, then we are using. So what is the latest value of A? 4. So it becomes 5 and we are using that new value 5. No, because A is afterwards, after the plus. So first we're plussing and then we're using. Got it? And then we add all this. So 3 minus 0, that's 3. Here minus minus 4 means plus 4. Plus 3 minus 5. Okay, so what's the answer? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 5, 5 is the answer. Now here there's a small difference. What's the difference? Yeah, it's not A is equal to something. It is A plus is equal to something. So what is the meaning of A plus is equal to? Means A is equal to A plus. That's the meaning of A plus is equal to. So you have to just, instead of A plus is equal to, you have to write it as A is equal to A plus and then the rest of it. Plus plus A. So you have to write this whole thing once again. You understand? So write that. Okay, now see. Let's do it. Okay, minus minus B. So what is the original old value of B? 1. So first it minus, first we're minusing it. So 1 minus 1 is 0 and we're using that 0. Next, C minus minus. So first we're using C and then we're minusing. So we're using the 5 and then it becomes 4. Okay. Then here again A is coming first. So we have to use A first. What is the latest value of A? Don't use the original value of A. You have to use the latest. Huh? Yeah, you have to use the latest value. Okay. So that's minus 2 we are using. and then it gets minused. So -2 minus 1 is how much? -2 minus 1. -3 it became. All right. Then here again, the first a plus, and then we're using a. So with the -3, we're plusing 1, -2, and then we're using that -2. And here again, first plus, and then we're using. So +1 to b. What is b's latest value? So we're adding 1 to it, so it becomes 1, and then we're using that 1. How many of you got these numbers correct? Okay. Yeah, if you took original number, it won't work. Okay, latest number. Next step, you remove the bracket. So it's -3 here. Plus -2 is what? -2. Then -0, no need to write. -5 plus minus -2 minus minus +2 plus 1. Did you get an answer? Okay. Now see if your answers are correct. Finish it, complete it, and then we'll see if your answer is correct. Okay, watch now. So first easiest ways of find all the negative numbers, all the negatives. This is negative, negative, negative. Okay. Add all the negatives. So that's 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. 5, how much? 12. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So all the negatives becomes 12. Then all the positives. Plus 2 plus 3 is plus 3. Plus 2 plus 1 is plus 3. So -12 plus 3 is -9. Who got -9? No one got -9. Now you got it.
Sir, I got.
You got -9. Okay. This is how you do it. Is it clear?